Now, let's say I need to change the receipt printer that my station prints to. To do that, I'm going to tap the 3 lines on the top left and go down to the section there that says Hardware. Now, I'm going to select Printers. Now, right now you can see RP1 has a green dot next to it. That indicates that that's the printer that's going to receive my receipts. Now, let's say I needed to change it. Let's say either the printer goes down or I get a new printer, and I need to change it to printer RP2. To do that, I'm going to tap on that printer, and now I have a new window. There you can see about halfway down a toggle that says Receipt Printing. If I tap that toggle, and then I hit the X button on the top left, you can see that that green dot has changed from RP1 to RP2. And that is how you change the assigned printer for a station.